person hair growth is different from one another. Not everybody grows their hair at the same rate, because we are unique individuals, because we have a background, because we have different genes, because we eat differently, because we exercise or not differently, we have different lifestyle. All that impact how our hair grows. So the growth rate is different from one another. That means my hair can grow, I think my hair grows 1/4 of an inch every month. I'm not so sure, 1/4 of an inch depending on the area. This area has been 2 years I've been struggling with it, but back down here I think it's 1/4 of an inch every month. Average say 1 inch per month, but that's an average. Some people 2 inches per month, some others 1/2 of an inch a month, some people 1 inch a month. Because we are different, our hair growth rate will be different, okay? Because we have different lifestyle, we have different budgets. It doesn't matter. Sometimes we can even use the same products. My hair grows faster than my sister's. Everybody's hair growth or hair journey is unique. So stop comparing your hair to somebody else's. That will create a lot of anxiety, frustration, insecurities. You don't need all that. Just enjoy your hair at every stage. Teeny weeny afro, awkward length, medium length, long, even short. Just rock your hair. Remember, being beautiful is being confident. Once you get confident, even if your hair is not the way you would like it to be, people will enjoy everything. It's like the whole package. It comes with confidence. Confidence about yourself, about your hair. Even if sometimes you have the feeling that your hair doesn't grow, or even if you have the feeling that your hair doesn't look as great as you wish it to look like, just enjoy every stage of your hair. And forget about your hairs, for God's sake. Forget about it. Don't put your hands into your hair. And remember, your hair grows at a certain rate. You can even track that. Take pictures. Take pictures every month. You don't have to take pictures that you're gonna share online. Those pictures are for you. Remember, you're doing your hair journey for you. You're not doing that for the whole social media to enjoy. So I'm not asking you to be an Instagram model and start posing. If you want to do it, hey sister, you do you. All I'm saying is take pictures. Those pictures, even if you look rubbish, even if you don't look great, if you need to put on makeup, you know, look sexy and fresh and clean before taking your pictures, get 1 or 2 hairstyles and take pictures monthly. That will help you understand that your hair grows, because a lot of people have hard times to get that their hair grows no matter what they do. Your hair grows unless you have a health condition, an internal issue, your hair still grows. So forget about your hair so that you don't have to focus on that. Get yourself a right protective hairstyle, go to hairstyle. I know a lot of sisters rock wig, rocking box braids, as long as they don't butcher your hairline or your edges, because careful with tight braiding tends to break hair. So braiding, twisting, puff, buns, as long as they're not too tight, and moisturize your hair. When I say moisturize your hair, drink water, stay hydrated, and track your hair progress. Track it. Use internet as a guide. It has to remain a source of inspiration. It cannot be something that makes you feel awkward about yourself, make you feel sensitive about how your hair looks or grows. No, God make no mistakes. If your hair looks a certain way, that was meant to be. So that means it's nice and looking sexy. You're the only one who cannot see it, because you spend time watching others and you forget about yourself. Come on, everybody's beautiful, and there's a room for everybody. There's a room and space for all of us. I mean, all type of curls, all type of colors, all hair type of curl pattern. Believe that yourself, the rest is going to believe it. You have to behave like a queen, and then people are going to start thinking that you are a queen. In the beginning, they're gonna start laughing at you, because that's how it starts. You know, people believe in results. People don't believe in the beginning of a journey. They always believe at the end. When you already went through a lot, that's when they start thinking, okay, now they're gonna start thinking to you, oh, what were you saying again about growing your hair? You know. What product do you use?